Hello everyone, welcome to Minimal Mindful Mama. Today I'm working with Cosy Island shoes. Cosy Island is a brand that is dedicated to comfort without compromise. Cosy Island has sent me several pairs of shoes to try, so I'm excited to share that with you today. First, we have these. They are the Commute Elegance Pointed Toe Pump. One of the things that I appreciate about the Cosy Island brand is that they are committed to doing things in a more sustainable way. This one comes with little insoles as well to put in to make it even more comfortable. And then we can open this. And these are the shoes. I went with the really classic black pump because I feel like these will just go with everything. I currently have a pair of black pumps, but they're super uncomfortable. So I was really excited to get these ones and to try these out. They're made of this stretchy elastic material here. They also have all of this cushioning in here and arch support as well, to create a cozy island for your feet. These shoes have breathable, soft fabric. They have stable heels, and they're also slip resistant on the bottom. So you can actually wear these on a daily basis for your job or whatever you do, and they're not gonna be as slippery as other heels. I also picked out these Commute Pointed Toe Chunky ankle boots. I got these in the coffee color rather than the black. I thought that these also would just go with every outfit. I feel like they're really stylish for fall and winter and moving into spring. These have the really chunky heel, which I like. They also have that knit elastic fabric again, which makes these really good for wide feet. Oftentimes pointed toed shoes I feel like are really restrictive on my feet, especially because I have a very physical job and I am usually wearing sneakers all the time. So my feet aren't used to being in pointed toes, but these ones are so comfortable because they have that stretchy fabric, which gives you extra room and stretch. And then on the back, it has this nice leather look as well. When you open them up inside, they again have the cushioning. It's hard to see in the boots, but they're cushioned all inside. So I'm really excited to style these as well and have both of these pairs of shoes as addition to my wardrobe. I decided to give these shoes a test run by trying them on and taking them and wearing them for my day. I did some errands and some thrifting, so there was a lot of walking around in these boots. They were so comfortable and felt so stylish. They're definitely a huge upgrade to my mom wardrobe. Again, I really like the feature of the knit elastic fabric. I think it just really helps to make these shoes so much more comfortable. As a mom, I'm running around all day long, and so for a while it just wasn't really practical for me to wear heels at all because they weren't comfortable and I couldn't wear them throughout my day. But I love wearing heels and I used to all the time, so I was so excited to find Cosy Island and to have a comfortable heel option that can fit my current lifestyle, but I can still also wear heels and feel stylish without having to compromise on the comfort. If you're looking to add some shoes to your wardrobe that will actually be comfortable, I highly recommend checking out Cosy Island. They have a variety of styles and colors. These come in several colors as well. There's a leopard print that's really trendy right now. I was really torn when I was trying to choose mine. There were so many colors and styles that I wanted to try out. I have a link for you in the description box down below that'll actually give you a discount off these amazing shoes. So make sure to check that out down below to get your Cosy Island heels at a discount. My heels from Cosy Island were such a great addition to my wardrobe. They are comfortable and they're so stylish, and I really think that you'll enjoy them too. So be sure to check that out down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.